Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to change your engine's coolant. The first thing we're going to do is locate our reservoir and fill cap. On this particular vehicle, which is a European model, the fill cap is also the reservoir. So we're just going to crack this open, just leave it loose, then we're going to get under the vehicle. Anytime you're doing this, you want to make sure that the engine is cool. You do not ever remove a radiator cap when the engine is hot. That is a good way to get life-threatening burns. This engine is nice and cool. We're going to go ahead and open this up. This is our radiator flush. We're just going to pour this whole bottle in. Put the radiator cap back on. Now we need to run the engine for about 15 to 20 minutes to bring it up to temperature. You want to make sure that you run the heater at full blast. Make sure that the temperature comes up to the typical run temp, then shut it off and let it cool back down and drain the coolant. First thing we're going to do is bring in our drain pan. So now we're just going to reach in here and open this petcock and let the fluid drain out. Once it's drained, go ahead and close up the drain plug. The entire cooling system is drained. Now we need to fill it with fresh coolant. Always verify the type of coolant that your vehicle uses. We're gonna go ahead and pour this in. This is a 50-50 mix, so we don't have to add water. If you use a concentrate coolant, you need to mix your coolant 50-50, so you would do 1 gallon of coolant, then 1 gallon of distilled water, never tap water, always distilled. A lot of people would pour this way. That's gonna make it glug. If you hold the bottle sideways, you can control the pour much better. We'll pour in another until the reservoir is full, then we'll start the vehicle, let it come back up to temperature, and top it off. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the cap back on. And that's all there is to flushing your engine's cooling system. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.